Good morning, students. Yesterday, we have to discuss about the rate of appearance and the rate of disappearance. Rate of appearance and disappearance means, for example, 2N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. In this reaction, reactants N2O5 products NO2 and O2. So now here, rate of disappearance means reactants, rate of appearance means products. Before what you write, rate of disappearance means negative sign, rate of appearance means positive sign. Rate of disappearance means reactants, rate of appearance means products. Reactants taken as a negative sign, products taken as a positive sign. Because of in that reaction process, the concentration of reactants decreases, concentration of products increases. Okay, na? Today, so what you mean by rate of disappearance means decrease in the concentration of reactants divided by time taken for the decreases. That is called rate of disappearance. Here in bracket, R means reactants. So therefore, decrease in the concentration of reactants divided by time taken for the decreases, that is equal to minus delta into R divided by delta T. Delta T means here time taken for the decreases. Why? Because decrease in concentration of reactants. Therefore, minus delta into R divided by dt, that is. Next is in same way, rate of appearance. Rate of appearance means bracket products in there. P means productive, R means reactants. Therefore, what is the formula? Increase in concentration of products divided by time taken for the increases. Now here increase in concentration of products, time taken for the increases. That means products means what is the sign? Positive sign. So here delta concentration of P, square bracket means yesterday what I am told? Concentration. Concentration means moles per liter, that is. So now here square bracket divided by delta T value. So now here this is rate of appearance. So okay, now it is clear. Now onwards, what is meant by rate of disappearance and what is meant by rate of appearance, how to write the rate of disappearance and appearance using different chemical reactions. Yesterday already examples completed. Okay, so this is the two formulas. Now today, what is meant by units of rate of reactions? So what are the units of rate of reactions? That means, so units of rate of reaction means concentration divided by time taken. Concentration means before how to, this is called square bracket. That means concentration divided by time taken, that is. That's why concentration means what is the units? Moles per liter. So concentration already you know, concentration is equal to number of moles volume in liters. So here C is equal moles divided by liters. Here C means concentration. Here square bracket means concentration. Okay, that's why concentration divided by time, that is equal to moles per liter divided by seconds. Suppose, so in that equation, hours given means what do you write? Moles per liter divided by hour. Okay. Minutes given means moles divided by liter divided by minutes. Like that. And time will be taken as either minutes or seconds or in hours. Okay. Like that. So what is the units of this one? Moles, liter inverse, second inverse. Same way, moles, liter inverse, hour inverse. Next, moles, liter inverse, minute inverse. So we have to convert either minutes to seconds, hours to second. Based on the problem, we have to exchange that time, that is. That's why, so what is the units of rate of reaction means moles, later inverse, second inverse, moles, later inverse, hour inverse, moles, later inverse, second inverse. Like that, you have to calculate the units of rate of reaction. Next, for suppose the gaseous reaction is nothing but generally atmosphere, ATM is there. So generally gases having atmosphere. Second one is called, again it is taken as a seconds, means second inverse. Next hour inverse. Next minute inverse. Like that, for gaseous reactions, generally units are ATM second inverse, ATM hour inverse, ATM minute inverse. This is the units of rate of reactions. Okay. So next, we have to take one problem. Before already yesterday I have discussed about the appearance and disappearance. Now I am taking one example problem. For 2N2O5 gives 4 moles of NO2 and 1 mole of oxygen will be liberated. So if the concentration of NO increases by 3 into 10 power minus 13 moles per liter. Here to see carefully. Here what is the given concentration? Concentration means units what is there? Moles to liter. That's why concentration of NO increases by 3 into 10 power minus 13 moles per liter. What is the rate of reaction asking? But here very careful. If concentration of NO increases means what is the meaning? Suppose if you take this equation, so here NO2 taken as a product side. Product side means what you can have rate of appearance. So rate of appearance means what is there? Increase the concentration of the products. Therefore, so if concentration of NO increases means in this given equation, so what is there? NO2 concentration is increases by 3 into 10 power minus 13 moles per liter. What is the rate of reactions? And now how to do this one? For example, if you take this equation, how to write the rate of appearance or disappearance? This is appearance. Why? Because NO2 taken as a products. So therefore, how to write with the rate of appearance? So here 4 is there. That's why plus 1 by 4 delta of concentration of NO2 divided by changing the time. But you can see, but time is not there. Suppose for example, I am taken as a 6 seconds I am taken. For example. So, okay, 6 seconds. Now according to this equation, rate of appearance of NO2 means plus 1 by 4 delta NO2 concentration divided by delta T. Therefore, plus 1 by 4. What is the concentration of NO2? 3 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, what is the time taken per here? 6 seconds. Therefore, I am writing 6 seconds. Okay, na? Now, here what is there? 3 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, so 24. That's why here what is the units of this one? Again, moles, later inverse, second inverse. So this is the units of this one. Why? Because in this problem, time will be taken as 6 seconds. Therefore, second inverse. Concentration, moles per liter. Therefore, what is the units of this problem? Moles, later inverse, second inverse. So, based on this equation, so first you have to write the disappearance and appearance equation. But in this problem, concentration of NO2 increases by 3 into 10 power minus 13 means if you take only the products. Why? Because increases. Rate of appearance. That's why If you take here coefficient 4, where you are writing the rate of appearance means 1 by 4 delta concentration of NO2 divided by, so changing the time. Therefore, so this is the one of the examples of, so rate of reactions, units, and next one, how to calculate the rate of reaction using this following equation. But in this equation, one is given concentration, second one is called time given. So you have to write the appearance and disappearance, then you have to calculate the rate of reaction. So that is next one. Now if you take with the other one, so second problem I am taking, same model, second problem I am taking. Suppose for example, given equation 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4NO plus 6H2O I am taking. Okay na? Now here these reactants generally what is called decreases. Concentration of reactants decreases. Now here what is their concentration of products means increases. Okay. Same thing I am writing rate of disappearance and appearance for this following equation. How to write? This is the reactants means minus 1 by 4 delta into concentration of ammonia divided by delta T, that is equal minus 1 by 5, so delta of concentration of O2 divided by delta T, that is equal to plus 1 by 4, this is the products, therefore concentration of NO divided by time taken is equal plus 1 by 6 into concentration of H2O divided by delta T. First I am writing this one. But in this problem, what is given? If the following reactions, the rate of reaction of nitric oxide means what is there? NO. So now NO means what is given? 3 concentration of NO is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 13 moles per liter given. Okay. But here NO means what is called rate of appearance. But generally rate of appearance what is called increases. NO means rate of appearance. Therefore the concentration increases by 3 into 10 power minus 3 moles per liter. Now, so what is the concentration of NH3, so bracket decrease in concentration, how much the concentration of ammonia, so means that is the asking. Okay. Now we can observe in this problem based on ammonia versus what is there? Nitric oxide NO. First you have to consider with these two only. Now delta in 1 by 4 minus delta into NH3 divided by, so what is there next to delta T is equal, now here 1 by 4, here also 1 by 4. Okay na? That's why 1 by 4 delta of NO divided by delta T, that is. So here ammonia asking, but NO concentration increased by 3 into 10 power minus 3. Now, so I want what is there? So concentration of NH3 divided by delta T is equal to, this 4 will be goes on what is there? 4 by 4 into delta NO divided by delta T. Okay na? So next, what is there? 4 cancel. What is the concentration of NO? So here 3 into 10 power minus 13, so moles per liter. Suppose in the same problem, time will be taken as a 12 minutes. 12 minutes given. So divided by what is there? 12 minutes. Okay now. So therefore, so 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 13. What is the units? Moles, liter inverse, minute inverse. This is the concentration of delta NaH3 divided by delta T. So based on this one, we have to do the problem. The next one, same formula low, ammonia versus oxygen versus this is given, these two given. But here oxygen concentration, what is there? Decreases. Next, NO concentration, what is there? Increases. Or how to relate it? Minus 1 by 5 delta of concentration of O2 divided by delta T is equal to, so next 1 by 5 plus 1 by 4 delta of NO divided by delta T. Okay na? But NO value given, I want, so delta of oxygen. Therefore, delta of oxygen divided by delta T is equal, if 5 will be goes on this side, means 5 by 4 of delta of NO divided by delta T value. So, but this is the value total given, I think. For example, 5 by 4 into 3 into 10 power minus 13 moles later, so second inverse given. Okay na? Then what you can ask is delta of O2 divided by delta T means the concentration of oxygen is decreased, means so this is the answer. Okay na? So therefore delta of O2 divided by delta T versus NO. That's why in this question, what is the relation? Oxygen NO relation. Before what is there? Ammonia versus NO. So same thing, ammonia versus NO, oxygen versus NO, ammonia versus water, ammonia versus so NO, oxygen versus H2O. Like that. First, what is the given? So what is the calculated means? So then we have tried using this one. Next, we have to calculate the rate of reaction of oxygen, rate of reaction of ammonia, rate of reaction of nitric oxide, rate of reaction of H2O. So here mainly what is there now? What is the given means? So first you have to write the disappearance and appearance, then the concentration and time will be applied this formula. We can getting other so rate of reaction will be calculated. Thank you.